Controversy continues weeks after Governor Sisolak signed a bill requiring background checks on most private party gun sales.
Our Nye County Sheriff today saying she will not enforce the law when it takes effect in less than a year. Politics Now co-host Patrick Walker explains.
10 months before a new law requiring background checks on most private party gun sales takes effect, a Fourth County Sheriff says she won't comply. Nye County Sheriff Sharon Worley sending a letter to Governor Steve Sisolak saying in part, quote, "As Sheriff of Nye County, I agree with Sheriff Watts. I will not participate in the enforcement of this new law," end quote. One supporter who helped with the effort to pass the measure reacted to the sheriff's letter during a taping of Politics Now.
Your reaction to that?
I think that's hilarious. And they're going to enforce it eventually. We'll take it to the courts. That's fine. But at the end of the day, it's going to get enforced whether they like it or not.
Worley joins the sheriffs of White Pine, Pershing, and Eureka counties, saying the new law creates a burden on law enforcement and that the citizens don't want it.
And vote no on question 1.
Rural sheriffs didn't either, as seen in this ad from the NRA in 2016. It failed in the rural counties, but enough support in Clark County allowed the measure to pass by less than a percentage point. Former Attorney General Adam Laxalt put the bill on hold due to a requirement that the FBI perform the background checks. Last month, lawmakers rewrote and passed a revised bill.
It's time to get serious about gun violence. It's time to enact the measure that Nevadans voted for.
Prohibited persons do not subject themselves to background checks. This law will not change that.
Both Governor Sisolak and Attorney General Aaron Ford responded to Sheriff Worley's letter, saying they look forward to working with the sheriffs to review ways to enforce the law. Patrick Walker, 8 News Now.
And we reached out to the Nye County Sheriff's Office for a follow-up interview with Sheriff Worley or to ask further questions, but our calls went unreturned.